1, 2, 3, 4. You can play it like the original. 1, 2, 3, 4. But tune down a whole step. What's up, guys? So Roulette, simple chords in the song, only 2 shapes. You can play it like the original, but then you have to tune down a full step. But I'm first going to teach you my way that I played it in the intro. Okay, so simply 2 chord shapes that you need to know. The minor 10th shape, which we're going to play on the 8th fret for C minor. And the rest of the shapes, we're going to be using the major 10th shape. It's just a theory term. The distance between this note and the higher note is a 10th in the scale. So something like that. Okay, anyway, minor 10th and then major 10th we're going to play on the 11th fret. Sorry, I wrote there 12. Let's just change that quickly. And highlight it again. There we go. Okay, so the major 10th shape we're going to play. Now you can do it with the first finger and third finger like this. 6th fret for B flat, but same shape. 9th fret for D flat. That's the root note is on 9. A flat is going to be on the 4th fret. And G is going to be on the 3rd fret. That's it. Alright, so, and the picking pattern is simple. They use 2 picking patterns. Let's do the first one on the C minor chord at the 8th fret. So we go P, I, P, P, I, P. So this is kind of the syncopated doom, ta, doom, do, ta, doom, doom, ta, doom, do, ta, doom, doom, ta, doom, do, cha, doom, doom, cha, doom, do, chi, doom. Okay, and then when you do the quick chord changes, you're going to use the second pattern, which is, let's do that on the A flat. And then the chord change happens, doom, da, da, doom, da, da, doom. Da da doom da da doom da da doom da da P I P P I P. By the way, P is thumb, I is index finger if you haven't figured that out by yourself. Alright, so if you see the chord progressions here, you can see which pattern is used when in the song. So the first chord, we use the first pattern, doom da doom do da, and then we're going to use the second pattern, doom da doom do da da doom da da doom. You're probably just going to play that anyway, just by ear, because most people know this song, who want to learn this song know it already very well. So a chorus is going to be like this. Do, cha, do, da, no. 1, doom, da, doom, da, doom. I know how I feel when I'm around you. Very nice song. I really love it. Okay, download the chords and lyrics. You can go check it out, and link in the description for that one. And cool beans. Cheers, have a nice day. Goodbye.